governor for place wey dey call am say Garwa, e don talk say even mash wey work people dem for place there wey dey get for Nagdamba dey make am. E no go worry no nothing for sika say all thing e go waka fine. They go left all the work dem for time wey dey talk say they get for give am for inside country. Na so two people dem for Limbe council side, Limbe city council, so tey now they dey ask question na wetin e make am wey oga SDO Emmanuel Engambale do. E no be talk time wey they be get their council session. Na big question that way all dem say they dey so ask am. So tey now this one e dey happen wey Grand Atango minister for territorial administration e say next week they go start for tonton for see people that way they don comot for their house dem for sika this palava for northwest and southwest. Tori wey newspaper dem say dey talk am, we go bring am this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say wetin say when your fowl e lost, then better smell e comot for neighbor house one time neighbor e go be na first person wey e go suspect for your fowl wey e don lost. I say when fowl e lost, then better smell to comot for pot chop for neighbor house. First thing wey you go check na say na your neighbor e don thief that your fowl for make the better chop wey e dey for e own side. Na Isifu Michael Wifinla dey dey call you Mickey boy. Na you send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon country people dem. Before we start tori, make una sabi say some new style for thief e don enter for Douala now. 50 people dem or more than 50 people dem, you go see dem, they go dey make like say they dey make na sport. Start for fear. They don finish attack people dem for place wey they dey call am say wetin Bonapriso. They don thief plenty thing dem. Attack people dem for inside Akwaye for just for corner cathedral. Thief thing dem. Yesterday they be there for Mbopi site where they thief around 300,000. So when you see plenty people there, they gather where they pretend say they make sport. You too, you start run. If you no run, they meet you, fine. Now the new style that way they don't start for thief for inside Douala. If I say make we talk for now, make you no be say we no talk for now, then una see una talk say but why the people the way they sabi thing they don't know tell we don't tell una now. So now the new style that way they detective people them for inside Douala now. Make we take una go for Garwa side, work people them serious mash. They say 6 months salary e never enter for their system. Need work people them they dey for different side them where they look at this one day they look at fee hotel where they get for look out stranger them where they come for 2019 for Sika Palava for Mandamba. They work people they work for roads. They talk say if they no pay them money, may they forget. For Sika say they no go work too. So for Sika that one they work for inside Gadwa side day. So tell they reach for governor office for talk say oga governor. Now the condition be this: if they no pay we with 6 more money, forget, we know the work we again. Inside this palava, governor says we in a head boy for inside Gadwa side for this small work them. He too he tonton, and after he finish tonton, Jean Abate Edi, he too he talk say this mash way work people they make he no go worry no nothing. For Sika say wetin, the company be don promise say they go give all the work the way they give for them for September moon. And they say they go respect that September deadline where they talk. Say they go give all the things say work e dey go for before. But sabi say the work people them they be the cry say they never pay them salary for 6 months. Now that you dey see am, they never pay them salary for 6 months, 4 and 6 months for some people them. Where e dey so now protomark people that say they talk they be get for pay them that money. Now for Sika why that where they make mash. Sabi say Cameroon e get for happen Mandamba for inside Africa here for 2019, and na Cameroon e go be the first country where e go happen that Ndamba with 24 country them where they go be for inside. So for Sika that one plenty work a day for Cameroon, and when you go give employ for people, then you no pay them money. How you feel say they go look out family for house for one day where they don't born they get woman for house, or how you feel say they go take send small 50 francs for grandpa or grandmammy for village, or for small sister, small brother, big sister, or anyhow. How you feel say they go take do all that in them? Pay bill themselves, chop. All that one dey so you know the check am 6 months. People dey work, you no pay their salary. Well, Governor Jean Edi Abate e don talk say this mash e no go worry no nothing. For sake say work e dey so go for before, say for September moon they go give the work dem back from governor. Now mean say they don finish am all. Work wey they don finish am, they go give am back from governor. Now for palava for she don look place and for see as way things dey go happen. But the good thing with this work people na say they sabi say Cameroon na so their country. As wey they go for before governor in office, when I hear two way they do am. Yes, so now work people then that's why they ask for their money. They sabi say na Cameroon be their own Cameroon. There's also be Cameroon people them for sake of that one sing national anthem, but they get one problem. Make money e enter for inside the aqua so that work e go so continue. We go take una go for that side so for Limbe City Council. Now for land for Bobo, Limbe City Council be the happen their first council session. And inside the first council session, normal, Oga Ezio, Emmanuel Engamba Ledu, na the ever look out this thing them. But it is surprise all council of them. Say Oga Ezio he come, he no talk one talk. Yes, he no comot one talk. After he open, he go back. He still say na council audio for Limbe 1. Na he say he come for can close council session. Now the first time where the kind of thing they happen. So all the council of them for Limbe City Council now they check. Now wetin we don't do for Oga SZO. But according to Tori wey they tell we money wey City Council get am for the year. Now 6 billion 991 million something for back. And normal con the people them the money wey they be don't put up say they get forget am na 7 billion. So if they get 6, it means say they try. And all that money, that road they want at the sea and so they say they don't try for open some road the way they know the pass. They the quota some road the way they know be get quota. They try for do small work them for different side. Now they think that way Oga governor delegates where they call it say Andrew Mojimba. He talk for people them for day. But they think they worry them. For Sika say SDO when I the lookout council them. He come for day he no talk. No ask me whether SEO the vex or you know the vex. But the money where they get, now they can't work, they know they don't need to am. They open some one them their road, they the quotas other one them, and they prepare the town to for Limbe. Sabi say Limbe town, now one of the town the way it go the talk come good for Mandamba. So they prepare the town for Limbe too, so that when change that they enter for Limbe, they go sabi say Limbe too they prepare for Mandamba for 2019. Marua sites, people they hungry. And na small pikin they hear, but see small pikin. Chop no day. Chop no day, oh, chop no day, oh. Yes, make her sing for them. They pikin they hungry. Mala no day. Now for sika that one way someone they so like the one they sleep. Mala no day. See pikin, innocent pikin. They say mala e don scarce. Marua. Even United Nations say when them they look all the people them too they talk say make other good help people them they help. See small chop where they get am. This small chop go do wetin for that plenty people them. Na so people that is also enter. Sabi say put them for Central Africa inside Marua. People there for this inside Marua. So all the one they so they try for make thing them so that pikin them say they fit get something for chop. And even United Nations put they try for teaching mami them. See pikin, say they struggle for say make they give pikin energy. Chop no day. Chop no day. You understand? Chop no day. So e mean say governor get for start check sense. Maybe Nkunkuma too go make some plan, humanitarian plan for help people the way they pikin the way they suffer for that side for Marwa. Me, you fit put me like a president for that humanitarian plan, so that na me I go dey look all that money. You understand? We take una enter for Douala sef for talk say wetin. Tori people dem dey dey for school. When I talk say Tori people dey dey for school, una go ask me say the Tori people they no be don fair go school. They don go school. But sabi say any Tori man wey wan go for before, he must also continue for the learn book. But the learn book wey dey dey, no be na the one wey they dey pay money o. They no dey pay money. The one that they go learn how for do things them, their work them better. United Nations, as we vote they come for country small time. United Nations communication peoples, they dey Douala since. They don gather Tori people them for different Tori house them. They say make they teach them how way they fit knack Tori for palava for vote. You understand? If me I be president or president candidate, it means I want to say me they vote me like president. Dikume Francois want to say me they vote like president. And even Zefren Gondi, he want to say me they vote like president. Nadine Ngwafo want to say me they vote president. They want to say me the Tori people they no concentrate only for ambassador. For sake say they see ambassador plenty. They want to say me they talk all Tori the same for on top Francois Dikume. They talk the same Tori on top even Ngondi Zefren, and even the same Tori on top Nadine Ngwafo. You understand? So now they kind teach in that way Tori people they learn now, so that they no go make pacha on top of one Tori man or on top of one president head. They go so talk that the president own, talk the president own. Then the other people they know the talk. So now they kind book that way Tori people them they learn and now so for under United Nations they look out. So for Douala here, it be then a big day for new lawyer people them for inside appeal court for Douala. President for all lawyer people dem Nyekam Gabidede and even he assistant Ntumfo Nikohale, better man for peace. All they be there for see as we new lawyer people dem. They be put their hand for up for talk say I swear I no go chop choco. He say they put their hand for up say they no go chop choco. But true they no dey chop choco. Just carry some case go give am for the peoples. Go give am for the peoples. Tell them say some person don chop you wish. You go see how they go bring people, they go bring person, make a can talk for Antoya and then say no, you be see time where they be the chop wish. They tell them the chop wish, you be there, you be see and how. So they don't talk for the people, they say, I saw they put their hand. For talk say, I do so swear, I go respect Commandia way, lawyer people, they get her. Make it be not true. Make you no talk so I do so swear, come on, I go the chop choco. Choco no fine. So all they be there. Nyekam Gabidede, you see how they be put down for up, I do so swear. Even Peace Crusade herself, Organ Team for Nikohale Barrister, Ebidede, say me they see as we new lawyer they did to swear. After they don't swear now for them we foresee what way they do for our side. Whether the choco go pass them for chopamo or that the choco go chop them, that one na palava for wait and see. Sabi say we own, we dey na for shine we eye. When place the waka fine, we enter for day. You understand? When thing they know the waka, we enter for day quiet. Now so e dey. We go take una now, we come up for Binet capital for country. We take una go for Sawe, all book them the designer. We go Yawende. Inside Bilingualism and Multiculturalism Commission, when our Oga Peter Mafane Mosongede like a head boy. Makombi for France, Gilles Thibault Bidede. Yes. Makombi for France, Gilles Thibault Ebidede. Waiting carry Gilles Thibault go for that side for Bilingualism Commission. One, palava for see work where the people they don't do and for tell them congratulate. Iglat say for now they don't go for Sawes, they don't go for Norwest. Where fights it dey happen for day. He say make people they sit down for one table for talk peace. Then for palava for give correct sense for Bilingualism Commission. Oga Gilles Thibault he talk for Peter Mafane say countryman make una come for France. We get some people the way they don't learn palava for mediation. It means say they fit look out, they fit judge small cases. Can't learn that sense. Bring am for Cameroon so that una fit use help say make when the kind of thing that they happen, things they fit turn fine. So na thing then that way Oga Kombi, yes, Makombi. Gilles Thibault, he go do am with Peter Mafane Mosonge. But he congratulate them. Say for now, they don't enter for minister them, they don't go for different place. For tell them say na bilingual country they dey. It means say book them, they must be for English and French. But I no sabi whether so today that one e dey o. Me, I no fit talk that one. We go left waka for Gilles Thibault. We go so remain for inside Yaoundé. For Yaoundé, the money one na the see and so. When I see money no. Gra Tango be whole first ndongamen wey e concern all ministers the way they dey inside this ad hoc committee. All ministers dem they dey inside the ad hoc committee. So na the first meeting wey Gra Tango hold am for talk as so they go divide the money. Wetin Gra Tango inside talk inside the dongamen. Tiwa fit talk na say he say next week they go start go down for fee for meet up people the way they don run comot for their system for their house. For Sikadi Palava for Northwest and Southwest. And according to wetin Gra Tango talk, all the ministers they get hand for inside the Palava. Even Ma Pauline Alova Lunga get hand. You understand? Ma Adija he get hand. Even Isa Choroma, Governor Togman, he get hand. So they don't talk say they don't divide it in 3 different body they dey. You understand? First body, na the one when the minister then say they dey inside. Where Gra Tango be the holder and dongamen. Second people the way they go to look them when they want go for fee for give the money. They go to meet up governor for the 2 region there. They meet up a SDO. They meet up a DO. Now the number 2 people than that. Then who they go enter now so for inside the fee better relay as so they call them for Queen Elisa. It's a mayor them and people there they feel trust them plus a father them, pastor them and other people them with K2 them. You understand? All them so they go join hand for see as well the thing e go waka. So next week, today Ngomna Togman Isa Choroma Bakari get for meet up Gra Tango again. They go discuss how they go take that thing they enter. Then they go give Tori people then the Tori. We our own work now for blow Tori. When they give you the information, we blow up. You understand no? Now the Tori then that for this time or this afternoon. Newspaper where they for this afternoon they post weekender. They tell we as well some house for Professor Paul Nkwi when a member for Constitutional Council they don't born am. Now who born the house? The guidance post or the post weekend away there for outside, he get that answer. Inside the same post weekend they tell we as well gendarme he make open eye for some teacher where he demand GCE. He talk say if that teacher make mistake, he go shoot he. Say he go shoot he. Now so gendarme talk according to wetin wey the post weekend he talk am. Then the post weekend too he enter for inside chapter for Northwest and West. He tell we say lawyer man for Ayuk Siseko. He don talk for Kunkuma say make e stop the war wey e dey happen now so. Say make e talk make the war e stop. Now so today they tell we ambassador for United States he never so she don quiet for the palava. Oga Peter Belere he say make people dey sit down for one table for talk for stop the confusion for Northwest and Southwest. We enter for the guidance post wey e dey to for outside this afternoon con the people dem. Inside the guidance post they tell we say wetin 6 work people dem for some place wey dey dey be house for sika say dey thief 30 ton for cement. They don't give them plenty time for sit down for Ngata. Inside the same tori they tell we chapter for Northwest Southwest Bamenda Archbishop he don talk say they never give St. Bede College for K2 people dem. Say they never give them at all. Emmanuel Macron say according to wetin wey the guidance post he tell we he don teach correct lesson for African leader dem. He mean say kunkuma dem for East Africa where they don't decide for sit down for one chair, they no one left different people for sit down. He don't left them the better lesson as way it turn for inside Africa where he never overstay. The guidance post to he tell we the palava mash where work people them for Gadra side they make up. The median too a day for outside today country people them inside the median where they for outside waiting be the tori where they tell we for the median. The median he tell we say chapter 1 strong number for the median na say 1 waiting e get for tell we for this palava calling people them. Make we wait for see wetin wey the median e talk for we. But sabi say one of the tori wey the median newspaper e tell we for this afternoon na for palava for wetin? Palava for that side, so for northwest and southwest. They dey try for tell we wetin e make. I say wetin e make wey Yawinde had in the court when UN e talk say e wan put him up inside the palava for northwest and southwest. The media dey ask question, why e be say Yawinde e had in the court as well United Nations e say e wan buy case? If you enter for the media, you go read that story. Na so too dey tell we as well CDC themselves, they don talk say big pom Kongosa. People there dey say they don give CDC for some one man in hand for the look at big Kongosa according to wetin the media e talk am. The media too e enter for inside chapter for northwest and southwest. E get plenty tori dem wey e dey tell we as well DO wey dey thief am and even policewoman wey dey be thief am for that side, so for Kumba they don left them. No ask me or whether they pay money or they no pay money. All that tori dey dey for inside the media wey e dey for outside today. Na so we see country for this afternoon. Anyhow wey e dey pass, we dey so warn una, you wey e dey for Douala, new style for thief don come. When you see more than 50 boys the way they dey make sport, they dey come for your corner, you too dey run. I say dey run. For sika say if you turn up, they thief your thing. No talk say they no be don tell you. They don finish thief for Bonapriso, the same way I dey talk so. They thief for Corner Cathedral yesterday, the same way I dey talk so. Yesterday too, they don thief from Bopi. We hear around 300,000 they thief am. Where they pretend say they dey make sport. More than 50 people there. Now the new way that if you dey on top table, they chop bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back for some time, una hold am tight.